Alright, I'm out here at Murphy Street in LaGrange, Georgia. Got some upgrades here. Sadly, CSX has upgraded the remaining incandescent lights here to LED, though with this thing that's kind of probably a good thing considering how dim the incandescent lights had been here back in 2022, along with replacing the incandescent gate lights and the bell and the far signal over there, as you'll see shortly. Thankfully, both signals still retain these early West Corners gate mechs, which Tommy and I call Style 1. Because these were the first design gate mech Westcon Hayes had after they were spun off from Federal Signal. And they're quite rare to find, especially down here in the Southeast. Anyways, as you can see, the lights on this signal now have Leotech EV series LEDs in them. Which, if I show the back, you'll see that as well. I heard an e-bell from over here when I was... Here's the back. I heard an e-bell from here actually when I was over there at Park Avenue. And sure enough, I'm correct, there's an e-bell here now. Anyways, the gate lights, like I said, this signal now has all NEG LED gate lights, replacing a set of incandescent RECO gate lights. There's one of them. There's the second, and up there is the third. Now, coming over here, we got the cantilever signal. And of course the mast lights had already been LED for a few years, for like probably close to a decade, but the overhead lights are now fully LED. And of course, like I said, the dead West Corners mechanical bell, and this signal is now an NEG electronic bell. The gate lights are now a mix. I forget if these were like this before, but you've got a mix of RECO gate light there, another RECO gate light there. I forget if these are LED or incandescent, but there's an NEG LED gate light. I don't know if that's new or not, but I believe it is. And of course, on the overhead lights, as you can see, those all have Leotech EV series LEDs in them now. Thankfully, they're still the older Harmon 12x20s, along with the original gate mech right here still. And if I come around here to the front, you can see that these are also more Leotech EV series LEDs than that. Of course, the mast lights are all West Corners second gen LEDs. So yeah, just thought I'd. Yeah, it's just a video of the quick upgrade, just a quick video here of the upgrade at Murphy Street in LaGrange, Georgia. Over and out.